The way that you use tutorials is absolutely wrong. Let's take an example where you're trying to learn ROS and you're watching tutorials to do the same. You just follow the tutorials step by step. Problem comes when you continue following this tutorial based approach and start jumping from one tutorial to another thinking that you have actually learned ROS or OpenCV. The truth is that you are not learning very much here. The only purpose of the tutorial is so that you can get yourself acquainted with the tools and the framework that you want to learn. The simple reason is that you're not exercising your problem solving or thinking ability to solve a particular problem. Instead of just watching the tutorial step by step, pausing it and just replicating what has been already told in the tutorial, what you should do is take a step back, pause, and think about how you can solve that problem yourself. Use the tutorial as a solution which you are only allowed to visit after you have tried to solve the problem on your own.